Alright guys, in this lesson we're going to talk about multiplying a fraction, so like a fraction like 1/2, times a whole number. So a whole number would be like 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, a whole number. Okay, so our learning target is I can multiply a fraction by a whole number using an area model, multiplication, or repeated addition. Now, I'm going to show you 3 different ways here, area model, multiplication, or repeated addition, and you get to decide at the end which way you like the best. So the first one, we're going to do area model, and as I put here, that just means to draw a picture. So if you like drawing a picture best, this one might be the one for you. So if I'm multiplying 1/3 times 5, I'm going to first think, okay, I'm talking about thirds here. So thirds would be divided up into 3 sections. So here would be thirds. And then I think 1/3 5 times, right? So 1/3 5 times. So I'm going to color in 1/3 5 times. So here would be 1/3 colored in once. Oops, that's kind of hard to see. Let me grab a different color there. Okay, so that's 1/3 colored in once. That's 1/3 colored in twice. That's 1/3 colored in 3 times. And remember, I have to go 5 times. So I've got to draw another block of thirds here. Alright, so then 1/3 colored in 4 times, 1/3 colored in 5 times. So here would be my picture representing it. Now I've got to figure out what this mixed number would be. Well, I know since all of these are shaded in, this would be 1 whole. So I know the first part of my answer is 1 whole. Here, I've got 2 parts shaded in. So that would be 2 parts out of a total of 3. So 1/3 times 5 would be 1 2/3. So let's look at the second one, 3/4 times 6. So here's what I've got to think. I've got to color in 3/4 6 times. So I'm talking about fourths here. So now I want my pictures divided up into 4s. And I'm going to need a few of these here, so I'm going to go ahead and draw a few of them, so I'm ready to go. Okay, we'll start there. So 3/4 6 times. So 3/4 would be 3 sections shaded in. So that would be 1. And then, using a different color here, that one's also kind of hard to see, but that would be 2. So from these 3 here, that would be 2. And remember, I've got to go 6 times. 6 times. So here's another 3/4. I colored in 3 sections. So that would be 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That would be 4 times. I've got to draw a couple more boxes here. Oops, that one looks kind of tiny. I'm going to redo that. I don't want it to look so off here. I'm going to draw it just right above. Okay, so I've gotten 4 3/4. I need to do it 6 times. So here would be 5 times. And then 1, 2, 3. So between here and here, that would be 6 times. So I've got my picture drawn. Now I've just got to figure out what mixed number. So I've got 1 hole, 2 holes, 3 holes, 4 holes. So I have 4 shaded in completely, so that would be 4 holes. And then I've got 2 parts shaded in. So I've got 2 parts shaded in out of 4. So it would be 4 and 2/4. So this is the first way to multiply a fraction by a whole number, and that's by drawing a picture, also known as the area model. So think about if you like this way the best, and we'll see 2 more next.